Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how do you set up a JavaScript development environment. For set up a JavaScript development environment, we have to setting up a JavaScript development environment involves several steps to ensure you have all the tools necessary to write, test, and debug your code effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide with an example. First step, we have to install Node.js and npm. Why we need to install Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allow you to run JavaScript on your server, while npm Node Package Manager is used to manage library and dependencies. Download and install Node.js from nodejs.org. Verify installation by opening a terminal or command prompt and typing node-v or npm-v. This should print the installed version of Node.js and npm. Step 2. Set up a project directory. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Make directory my.js-project cd my.js-project. Initialize a new npm project. npm init-y. This creates a package.json files with default setting. Step 3. Install a code editor, Visual Studio Code. Why we should install Visual Studio Code? We can install Ideal and many more develop edit code editor. Visual Studio Code is a popular choice because it offers excellent JavaScript support and many extensions. Here, download and install VS Code from code.visualstudio.com. Step 4. Install development tool. You may want to install some useful npm package for development. Install ESLint for code linting. npm install, this is the command for is ESLint. npm install ESLint //save/hyphen dev. Install a bundler like Webpack or Parcel. For example, to install Webpack, we have to run this command npm install Webpack, Webpack hyphen cli hyphen save hyphen dev. Step 5. Create a basic project setup. Create the following files structure for a simple project. My.js project, src. In src, we have to one manifold like index.js, ESLint, rc.json, package.json. Step 6. Write some JavaScript. Open index.js in your src directory and write a simple JavaScript function. For example, src slash index.js console.log. Here we are just printing that hello world. Step 7. Lint your code. Set up ESLint by creating a ESLint rc.json file in your project code. This is the basic ESLint setup code. Run ESLint to check your code. This is the command npx ESLint src/index.js. Step 8. Bundle your code. This is optional. If you are using Webpack, create a webpack.config.js file. Webpack config.js const.path. This is the basic requirement of Webpack. Okay, and if you want to build with project Webpack, then npx Webpack. This is the basic example. Uh, so you can pause the video and understand this example. If you have doubt, then you can just ask in the comment. I will try to answer all question. Okay, and this total nine step for an example. You can pause the video. After following this step, you will the basic JavaScript development environment setup and ready to go. This is all about the how do you set up a JavaScript development environment. In next video, we will talk about what are the common security concerns in JavaScript and how do you mitigate them. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.